Metra has teamed up with Vibe Audio to offer you direct replacement speakers for your Tesla. These direct replacement speakers are designed to fit Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. With some models offering up to 11 speaker systems, we have all the direct replacement options available. We have speakers for all location in your Tesla. The OS-Tesla 1T 1-inch tweeter. The OS-Tesla 4M mid-range speaker for both front and rear of the vehicle. The OS-Tesla CTR center speaker kit consisting of a 4-inch mid-range and 1-inch tweeter. And the OS-Tesla 8W 8-inch woofer. These speakers offer easy plug-and-play installation and are designed to fit in place of factory speakers to upgrade the audio system for enhanced sound quality. Neodymium magnets deliver immense motor force while maintaining compact size and lightweight design. So check out those direct replacement speakers for your Tesla and the other direct replacement kits available for BMW and Mercedes at metraonline.com.